Westman. I'm president of Jane Westman Public Relations. I'm the author of a book called Dive Right In, The Sharks Won't Bite, The Entrepreneurial Woman's Guide to Success. I've already moderated 3 panels this year for NAWBO. I've moderated panels on sales, marketing, and branding. So these are all topics or skills that we know are very important to us as entrepreneurs. These are things that we absolutely have to do to run our businesses. So why a panel on getting organized? How is that important in our business lives? Well, we are here tonight to tell you that you can't do your marketing, sales, branding, or run your business if you don't learn how to get organized. If you've tried to be organized and it hasn't worked for you, it could be that you're following a system that works for somebody else. Karen was saying that we drive ourselves like we're machines. We think that if we just commit to doing something at a particular time, I am going to work on this project for 3 hours and I'm going to get it done. And you don't realize that you're creating a sense of burnout. This is what's happening with this information overload, that we feel we're not good enough, we're not doing enough, I'm not tweeting enough. Every time I read about another business that was successful by tweeting, I want to slit my throat. I do.